Morning, honorable present here. Today I talk about unit number 4, transaction. Topic number 5, log-based protocol. So before going to see the topic of log-based protocol, before we have know about what is scheduling and scheduling and seriability and concurrency control. So this is the most important to implement a log-based protocol. This is a uh, basic prerequisite for this topic regarding log-based protocol. So concurrency control technique we are using locking, timestamp protocol, timestamp based and optimistics and multi-versions. This is a concurrency control technique. First, you have choosing a blocking based protocol. So log based protocol, we have choosing of a log based protocol means is a log guarantee exclusive use of data item to current transaction. So to access the data item, look log occur means perfectly occur our log. After completion transaction, you can release the log. So once you have log before, after completion of process, and release the log, basic condition of your log-based protocol. We have using two type of log. One is shard log, one is exclusive log. And shard log is denoted by S, and exclusive log it is denoted by X. Once I repeat, shard log it is denoted by S. Exclusive log it is denoted by X. Shard log means read the data item value. Exclusive log both read and write data item. This is a basic condition to implement of log-based protocol. So log-based protocol is a data variable which is associated with the data item. The log signifies that operation that can be performed on data item. For example, you take a ATM machine. You have entered the card, ATM card. First, they will ask the PIN number. After that, you can give a PIN number to open your account. After completion of the process within 5 seconds up to 10 seconds, you can automatically, if transaction is done, your transaction is done, your lock is closed. So because of some security purpose of your systems. So logs help synchronize to access the database item by concurrent process. So if example, both person can access to ATM. So which one is the first one completion process? Which one is the second completion process? So the basic condition is a schedule we have implemented means easily store a data item and particular account number is easily transaction is completed easily updated your account number as well as your mobile phone number. This is one of the process based on your concurrent transactions. A log requests are made to the concurrency control manager. The transaction proceed only once a log request is granted. Suppose you have using first condition and second transaction T1, transaction T2. First I have log after release. So once your process are done, your process done means your request is granted. After that, the request is not granted means as awaiting some state to execute your process after complete your log-based protocol. So this is a log is a mechanism to control concurrent access to the data item. Data item can be logged into two mode. One is exclusive mode, another one shared mode. Exclusive mode data item can be both read and as well as written. X log is a request using a log X instruction. Shared mode, the data item can be only read process. S lock is requested using lock S instructions. Binary lock, a binary lock on a data item can either lock or unlock your state, your process. So here, shard lock and exclusive lock. A shard lock is also called a read-only lock. With the shard lock, the data item can be shared between transactions. Exclusive lock, with the exclusive lock, the data item can be read as well as the return process. One of the example, you take transaction, transaction 1 and transaction 2. So log X of B and first do the process B can be B read and B minus B and B log XB declare, and after that R of B, R of read B minus of 50. After you can write a B. So unlock transaction of B. So once I assume rupees 100. First, I have a log R of B, log X of B, and R B assume rupees 100. 100 minus 50, W after completion. Uh, uh, um, 50 means 90, 50 rupees. 50 100 1,000 rupees is available means you can 950 is available. So 950 you can write it back into the database server. The same condition you can apply 95 rupees. So 95 rupees you can apply W of B, and after completion you can write it to your database server in after process. And this is called exclusive log. Suppose this log S of R is available, read of B and W of P is available. This is called share log only read. So this is a share log. Whether read and write operations are available, both operations are available means this is called exclusive log, and only read operations are available. This is called share log. So locking. The two-phase locking protocol. The protocol ensures the conflict, the serial schedule, phase 1, phase 2. The phase 1 is called as growing phases. The transaction may obtain locks, transaction may not release the locks. Phase 2, swinging a phase, transaction may release the locks and transaction may not obtain the locks. The protocol assure the seriability. It can be proof that the transaction can be serialized in the order, the log point in the points where the transaction occurred in the final logs. So this is a two-phase locking is needed for conflict and seriability in the following senses. For example, give a transaction TI that does not follow the two-phase locking. We can find the transaction TJ that use the two-phase locking, the schedule for TI and TJ that is not conflict in seriable. So this is one of the process. Second, the lock conversion, two-phase locking with the lock conversion. The first phase can occur a lock as an item, can occur a lock X on item, can convert lock S to lock X. This is called upgrade. Second phase can release a lock S, can release the lock X. So they can convert lock X to S means this is called downgrade process. The protocol assures the seriability but still relies on programmer to insert the various locking and instructions. So this is an algorithm, automatic acquisitions of locks. So transaction TI issue the standard read and write operation without explicit locking calls. The operation read of D is processed as if TI is as a lock on D, then read of B. Else begin if necessary. Wait still no other transaction as lock X on D. The grant TI lock S on D. So read the D after enter the process. Same condition we can apply write operation. So write of D is processed as a if Ti as a log X on D, and then write D else begin if necessary wait until no other transaction has any lock on D. If Ti has a lock S on D, then upgrade lock on D to lock X. Else the grant Ti lock X on D, write D. This is called end of the process. The lock or released after commitment is abroad. Suppose the lock can be released means you can update your process. Otherwise, you can if not lock is not released means you can wait some other time and after complete your process and release the lock your transactions. This is activity. So please find out your answer for connections. Yes, this is called a log-based protocol. Thank you.